Think about it. Every minute a technician spends idle, or every job that gets delayed because of a scheduling mishap, directly impacts your bottom line. It's not just about lost revenue. It's about customer satisfaction, technician morale, and the overall reputation of your business. That's why understanding and leveraging ServiceTitan's scheduling capabilities isn't just a good idea, it's absolutely essential for sustainable growth and profitability. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. What exactly is ServiceTitan, and why is it so crucial for scheduling? For those unfamiliar, ServiceTitan is an all-in-one software platform designed specifically for home and commercial service businesses. It covers everything from dispatch and scheduling to invoicing, customer management, and even marketing. When it comes to scheduling, ServiceTitan acts as your central command center, giving you a real-time overview of your technicians, their locations, their availability, and, most importantly, the jobs that need to be done. It's the digital equivalent of a seasoned dispatcher with X-ray vision and a supercomputer brain. Now, let's talk about the core principles of effective scheduling within ServiceTitan. It's not just about dragging and dropping appointments. It's about optimizing routes, minimizing drive time, matching the right technician to the right job based on skill and availability, and keeping your customers informed every step of the way. When done correctly, this leads to happier technicians who aren't constantly stressed about their next appointment, delighted customers who experience punctual and professional service, and a healthier profit margin for your business. Alright, enough preamble. Let's get into the practical steps of how to schedule jobs in ServiceTitan. We'll break this down into key areas, starting with the very beginning, creating a job. The journey often begins with a customer call or an online booking. In ServiceTitan, creating a new job is intuitive. You'll navigate to the Jobs module and select New Job. Here, you'll input all the essential details. The customer's information, including their name, address, and contact details. It's crucial to be thorough here because this information populates throughout the system and ensures your technicians have everything they need. You'll then specify the job type. Is it a repair, an installation, a maintenance check? This helps categorize the work and can often trigger specific workflows or pricing models you've already set up in ServiceTitan. Don't forget to include a detailed description of the issue or the requested service. The more information you provide, the better prepared your technician will be, potentially reducing callbacks and increasing first-time fix rates. Once the job is created, it's time to schedule it. This is where ServiceTitan's powerful dispatch board comes into play. The dispatch board is your visual hub for managing your entire field team. It shows you a calendar view of your technician schedules, their current status, on a job, driving, available, and any unassigned jobs. There are several ways to assign a job. The most common and often most efficient method is using the drag-and-drop functionality. You'll see the newly created job listed as unassigned on the dispatch board. Simply click and drag that job onto an available technician schedule slot. As you drag, ServiceTitan will highlight available time slots, taking into account their existing appointments, drive time, and even their working hours. This visual simplicity belies the complex algorithms working in the background to ensure efficient scheduling. Another powerful feature is the Smart Dispatch or Optimizer tool. For businesses with a large fleet or complex scheduling needs, manually dragging and dropping can be time-consuming. ServiceTitan's Optimizer can automatically suggest the best technician for a job based on various factors: proximity to the job site, technician skills, if you've set these up in their profiles, availability, and even technician seniority or preferred routes. This is particularly useful for maximizing the number of jobs completed in a day and minimizing travel time, ultimately saving on fuel costs and increasing technician productivity. You can also use the Create Booking function directly from the customer's profile if you're scheduling a follow-up appointment or a new job for an existing client. This pre-populates much of the customer information, saving you time and reducing data entry errors. Once a job is assigned, it's not just about the technician. It's about the customer experience. ServiceTitan allows you to set up automated customer notifications. This is a game changer for customer satisfaction. You can send automated SMS or email notifications to your customers confirming their appointment, reminding them closer to the time, and even providing a link to track their technician's arrival in real time. Imagine the peace of mind for your customer knowing exactly when their technician will arrive, eliminating those frustrating waiting windows. This proactive communication builds trust and significantly reduces the number of inbound calls asking, "Where's my technician?" But scheduling isn't just about initial assignment. Things change. Technicians get stuck in traffic, jobs run over, emergencies pop up. ServiceTitan is designed to handle these dynamic situations. If you need to reschedule a job, it's as simple as dragging it to a new time slot or a different technician on the dispatch board. ServiceTitan will then prompt you to notify the customer of the change. If a job needs to be put on hold, you can easily mark it as pending or on hold and return to it later. The flexibility of the dispatch board allows for quick adjustments, ensuring you can react to unforeseen circumstances without derailing your entire day. ServiceTitan also empowers you to manage recurring jobs and maintenance agreements. For businesses that offer preventative maintenance or recurring services, you can set up these jobs to automatically generate on a predefined schedule. This ensures you never miss a service interval, provides a consistent revenue stream, and strengthens customer loyalty. These automatically generated jobs will then appear on your dispatch board, ready to be assigned like any other job. Another powerful aspect of ServiceTitan scheduling is its integration with other modules. When a technician completes a job, they can immediately generate an invoice, collect payment, and even present follow-up options directly from their mobile device. This seamless flow from scheduling to completion to billing minimizes administrative overhead and accelerates your cash flow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.